Hello, in front of me I've got Assassin's Creed Shadows. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage audio settings. In the beginning, let's go to System and go to Options. Next, go to Audio. Here you can change Master Volume, Voice Volume, Music Volume, Olay FX Volume, Gameplay FX Volume, Menu Volume, and Ambient FX Volume. Next, you can change Voice Language, enable or disable Immersive Mode, and you can enable or disable Control Speaker. Next, you can change music frequency, dynamic range, enable focus mix, and find audio glossary. Here, you can enable climb su, grapple su, loot su, naming body, collision su, and line of the sight broken. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.